Hi loves, welcome back to another cooking video. So here are our ingredients. We have tomato, onions, small pepper, meat, and paprika, maggi, and salt. So today's recipe, we're making goulash, okay, from the scratch. So right now I'm going to be pouring water. If you don't know what goulash is an amazing sauce that you can use to eat with dumpling. It's a Slovakia, Czech Republic, Hungarian food. And this really is my husband's favorite meal. Yeah, so we're gonna stir the onions for a while, like till it's a bit golden brown. You're cooking this on a low heat. All right, so this is what the onions looks like after it's been cooked. It's not burnt, it's okay and perfect right now. So after this, I'm going to be adding my meat. Okay, I'll add my meat and I'll stir fry this till the meat brings out its own juice. All right, love, so this is what I'll be doing. I'll keep on stir frying it till I know the meat will bring out its own juice, and I will add the rest of the ingredients. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and comment. Alright, if you're watching me from Facebook, please follow me as well. Yeah, because I'm going to be dropping this video in Facebook and YouTube. Yeah. So this is just me sharing and making sure that I don't allow the meat to get burnt, and I'm also cooking it on a low heat. Please cook this on a low heat, loves. Yeah, so I'll keep on stirring till it's okay. Then right now I'm adding my tomato paste. Okay, so I'm going to be adding tomato paste to this, and I'll add my paprika as well. Paprika helps it to give it that good taste and also give it an amazing color. So I'm just going to be stirring this as well. It's like making stew, but it's not tasting like that kind of Nigerian stew, if you get what I mean. Yeah, this is a beef stew, but not like Nigerian beef stew, if you get what I mean. So I'm going to be stirring this, then I'll allow this to cook as well. This is what we have right now. Can you see how it looks? It looks good, right? Yeah, so after this, we'll move to the next step, which is to add the rest of the ingredient. After adding the rest of the ingredient, then we'll add water. This is going to cook for at least 3 hours. Like, the meat is going to be very soft. Like, when I say very soft, I mean very soft. Okay, so you're going to cook this for 3 hours. If you have a pressure cooker, you can use pressure cooker for this. Okay, so I'm going to be cooking this for 3 hours, and you see that the water will reduce, and you add a little bit of cornstarch for thickness, and this is what we have after 3 hours. Like, you enjoyed this with dumpling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.